All right. So, if you don't know me, which you don't know me because I'm not on the internet, my name is Kiki Glam X. And today I'm reviewing this. It is Karity's Lip Lock in color Tea Leaves. It's on my lips. It looks hella great. So yeah, this review's gonna be short because, some people like to sit and chat with reviews. I'm gonna just tell you what you want to know. All right. So pro of this is my favorite pink ever. If you're a black girl and you know how pinks are, they look bad sometimes. But this pink is great. It looks like this, duh. And I think one thing that's pretty cool about it is that it dries darker. So initially it goes on a lot brighter than it looks. Like it probably goes on like this color and then it gets darker. Another pro is that it was $6. $6. Okay, now the downside. So this actually does come off fairly easily compared to like just normal lipsticks that aren't like kiss proof or whatever they call it. This one is pretty bad. It's probably better than ColourPop, but not as good as like Kylie Lip Kit, and then also Beauty Bakery. Those are like, I think it's Beauty Bake. This is how I would. Oh, you know what? You guys want to know? I could tell you later how I drink it in another video. Okay, so all right. So those were the pros and cons, and then here is a swatch of it. Do 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 do. Alright, you guys, so I did probably the worst job at showing you guys a swatch. Sorry if I sound all sniffly right now. I'm sick. But here's a swatch of it. The top is dark, it's dried for a little bit. The bottom's light. It hasn't dried, I just applied it. Yeah, I think that the swatch is alright. So yes, just let me know if it looks bad or if I need to do better in the lighting or anything. To me, it looks like how the colors show up in person. So yeah, just let me know so I can improve and you guys can get better reviews. Alright, thanks. Do 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 do. Is that a good swatch? This is like my first lipstick swatch. Is it really? Alright, I'll just put it on. So there it goes. Is it focused? There it goes. Alright. Cool. So that's it. Yeah, like I said, it dries darker color, so I'm gonna get through this and then I will let you see the actual swatch when it's dried. So here it is light, like I showed you before, and then you're gonna get a swatch of it in a second. Alright, so conclusion, my final remarks. Would I recommend this product to someone? Yes. Is it the best product if you're trying to look for a product that lasts all day? No. It's a good product if you're gonna go out with your friends. Yes, but I would take it with you because it's gonna wear off. Unfortunately, it's just not as good as like the better brands. But it is still really good. I can try and do some kiss. So yeah, so it is pretty kiss proof. All right, kiss proof is down. But as for wearability, if you're eating pizza, it's gonna go away. If you're eating anything, it's gonna go away. I don't find that with I keep forgetting this Beauty Bakery. Beauty Bakery. I don't find that with Beauty Bakery. I find that with Beauty Bakery, like usually my products stay on the whole night. Actually, Kylie Cosmetics is pretty good, like really good. They're both really good because I have to scrub it off. And it's pretty it takes a while to take off, but that's just a testament to its wearability or lastability or whatever. But yeah, it's still for $6 better than ColourPop. So yeah, this was the review on Karity's Lip Lock in Tea Leaves. I'm probably pretty sure you won't be able to read that, but that's what it was on, and now I'm done. Oh wait, final swatch. You see how it's darker? You see? You see? Looks so good on my lips. Oh yeah. Final notes. Final. Oh, you are a black girl. And you like pink colors. But the pink community, the pink lipstick community has been bad to you. try this one out because I know I have so many pinks and I can't really wear them without a, you know, brown lip liner. So yeah, what do you think, Penny? Huh? Huh? She's so cute. She's so cute. All right, bye.